I'm Ben with the BTC Sessions, and this is your bullish bit brought to you by Bitrefill.com, your one-stop shop for living on a Bitcoin standard. Sign up and grab gift cards for eSIMs, gaming, e-commerce, your travel needs, food, and much more, and you can buy them all with Bitcoin and Lightning. Sign up today and use code BTC Sessions 10 for some special perks.
When I came out the closet about being a Bitcoiner about a year and a half ago, I got a lot of attention on that video, that 3-minute clip on that talk show here in Serbia, the Ivan Ivanovic show. Went viral on Bitcoin Twitter. Next thing I know, I'm in touch with all my Bitcoin heroes that I've been secretly following for a while now. And next thing I know, I'm on Daniel Prince's podcast. I'm on Safety's podcast. And the next thing I'm getting invited to Miami, and I meet you, Ben, and I meet you, Newt. And that's also where I get offered the job for Samson's new company, Jan 3. And since Miami, I've been to maybe about 10 conferences, and that's where I always meet most of the Bitcoiners. And I echo everything that everyone said on here so far, that you don't really have much small talk. You cut to the chase, and you can talk about the bigger picture, about how we actually should be perceiving the world. You know, you mentioned, Nico, that normal people get it. I like to say that I'm not normal, and I was working a financial job in London, in the city, in asset management, pure Kentian environment, but somehow I got it. So there's hope. Yeah, I always knew there was something amiss in the world, that something wasn't quite adding up. But I kind of wanted to be comfortable, work in finance, and do what your parents thought was a good idea for you. But always with the suspicion that things were not right. Then when you get introduced to Bitcoin, 2017, I also get distracted by shitcoins and all that. But then 2020, that's when I really started to pay attention. That's when I really started to study more, as you saw what happened with the whole COVID bullshit. So I studied more. I joined Bitcoin Twitter and read the Bitcoin Standard, because apparently that was a thing to read. And I think as that CNBC presenter said, I think within 20 pages, I was sold. I think everyone is just very humble, and there's a lot of love and a lot of appreciation, and just hard workers, people to just get it. And it really is a beautiful, wholesome community to be part of. And the great thing is, it's a growing community. And I've noticed that whenever I speak, because I do a lot of traveling that's not Bitcoin related, and I try and introduce it to people, and a lot of people just don't get it, Bitcoin yet. It's a really misunderstood technology, if you can call it that. Because it is, so there's potential. That's one reason why I'm very, very bullish as well. It's just the potential of unlocking a lot of indoctrinated minds out there.
Yeah.